Angelina, and today I am going to install a new titanium exhaust for my Hellkity. And you're going to help me today. So this is the last time you hear the stock exhaust. First of all, I want to say big thanks to Tovi Performance for making this full titanium exhaust especially for me with my name on it. Thank you guys, and I hope it's not gonna be too loud. Wanted to show you guys my rear diffuser that I have. It's fully carbon, and also my tires not in a good condition because I like did donuts and burnouts. This is why I have a Hellkity to do donuts. First of all, we need to disconnect the original valve connector. Let's start. So we just removed the original exhaust. As you can see, it's here. And this car is finally ready for a new titanium Tovi Performance exhaust.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, it's been 2 hours and we already done. I can't wait to hear the noise of the new exhaust. I'm in love with the exhaust tips and the color. And of course, my name, Angelina. Okay guys, I was so tired of doing this job by myself, so I asked my guys to help me, so they did, and I was actually so tired of making a video, so I didn't take a video for you. So I mean, the car is ready, the exhaust is ready, and I'm ready to show it to you. I'm at the gas station right now. We need to go somewhere because I'm gonna get a ticket or something of arriving here at the gas station. So let's go and find a place. As you can see, I have my 3 cars here. I was doing some Instagram videos, and if you don't want to miss it, go ahead, there's a link for my Instagram, my TikTok, follow and don't miss any video or any cool content that I'm doing always here at gas stations at night. I decided to do some revs here, so let's start really quick. So before I start, I have to show you remote control. So it says Tovi Performance, but also I did this, Angelina's garage. Same as here. Wait. So I need this remote to change the sound, to open and close valves. Let's see, now it's closed. Let's open it. Okay, now it's closed. Let's open it. Okay, I don't know how to use it yet, but I will get used to it, I hope. So now it's open and let's close it again. You hear the difference? I hear it. So let's rave with closed valves. And now let's open it. I'm scared. I'm sorry, guys. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you like the sound. Let me know which one you like more, closed valves, open valves, or maybe stock exhaust. I mean, I like all of them because I like this car no matter what. And again, thank you so much, Tovi Performance, for the exhaust. I really like it. My neighbors enjoying it. And the only thing I want to change is I want to put different exhaust tips, because those tips looks a little bit small for this car, for this big booty, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think about everything, and I'm waiting for you in the next video. Thank you so much and drive safe. See you.